Hey y'all, what's up? This is a preview of the Coach's Success Kit, which is going to be on sale. So if you're watching this video, I obviously highly recommend that you grab it. But I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what is on the inside so you know what you're getting before you buy it, okay? So there are 48 resources inside of this bundle. They're broken up into categories. There are some instant downloadables, templates, and planners. So for example, there's a 12-month marketing plan in here that'll help you really forecast your revenue and start planning where you are going to be creating revenue streams and income streams in your coaching business. We also have master classes and live stream replays. These are classes that are not available anywhere else. There are books and swipe files, mastering client enrollment replays. These are really good if you are trying to really hone in and exercise your coaching skill set, your sales skill set in a one-to-one setting, and you just want to get better at having free conversations that turn into paid clients. There are some client enrollment replays there. We also have a watch and learn coaching session bundle. There's some guides and some workbooks, okay? So I'm going to show you my favorite things that are inside of this bundle. One of my favorite things inside of this bundle is this. Well, both of these are really good. Okay. Listen, if you're trying to get into email marketing or you need to be starting with email marketing, you want to start building a funnel and you're at the very beginning of that, these two things right here are really going to help you. Okay. This one is 26 different time saving email templates. So you never have to start from scratch. This is going to serve you in all areas of your business. There's an abandoned cart template for when people go to checkout but they don't finish. There's a flash sale template. So anytime you want to have a flash sale, you can use this template to send out to your email list to generate some income that day. There's also freebie giveaway. So if you have a lead magnet, there's a template for that. Feedback requests, which is great for like testimonials. Anytime you put a blog post up, there's a template for that. And obviously, there are a lot of great email templates in here. You do not have to start from scratch at all. And here's my other favorite digital download that is in this category specifically. This is a set of 5 email templates that will tap into the emotional triggers of your clients. This is really good as a sales funnel. It talks about the gain trigger, the logic trigger, fear, proof, and scarcity. These are 5 things that we normally talk with our clients about that help them convert and help them move to making a buying decision, whether it's a yes or a no. It just moves people to making a buying decision quicker. And so it's great, works great as a sales funnel automated. So those are my 2 favorite things from this area up here. Like I said, we also have masterclass and live stream replays. So the Profit Path Workshop is really good if you're working on increasing your revenue. 10 ways to launch or grow a business. So if you are launching soon and you haven't yet, there's stuff in here for you as well. How to create professionally graded graphics, how to create your own online course. And this is lifetime access. So once you purchase, you retain access to these items forever. Okay. You retain access forever. There's books and swipe files. So building new habits, 20 ways to grow your social media influence. I mean, there is a ton of really good stuff in here. And then of course, workbooks, P6 coaching formula. So if you're really working on your social media messaging and just getting really clear in your marketing, this workbook on the P6 coaching formula is really good for that. Building out your coaching practice with webinars and workshops. So if you've ever seen Coach Kelly's workshop and you're like, I want to have my own one of those, this is a really great place to start with kind of just mapping out some of those foundational pieces. So do not miss this, y'all. Do not miss this. 48 resources on sale. Definitely go ahead and grab it once it goes on sale. All right. See y'all later.